We are Oriearth Nature Foundation. Oriearth Nature Foundation is an organization that has a clear focus on harmonizing human-nature relationship. Our ultimate and lifelong goal is conservation of our rich natural assemblage of flora, fauna and authentic diversity. But currently, the biggest problem facing the environment is forest fire. Forest fires are causing a lot of damage to the environment. No matter how strict the laws are, the problem has not reduced even today. Therefore, Oriearth Nature Foundation has undertaken the task of creating awareness and creating love for the environment by showing various eco-friendly films and information to students at the school level. Keeping in mind the seriousness of the issue of forest fire and their side effects. Students are ambassadors of the environment and are most in touch with nature. If such students get interested in environment and nature in their childhood, they play an important role in protecting the environment when they grow up. We are focusing on bringing awareness to tribal students who are related to nature and environment. Oriearth Nature Foundation is currently working on creating awareness about forest fire by organizing environmental field trips for college students. Oriearth Nature Foundation will raise awareness about environment conservation. For this, we expect cooperation from all of you to Oriearth Nature Foundation.